Hello everyone, welcome all of you to study at home. Today my topic is date. What is a proper way to write a date in a formal letter? Date. The date is written just below the sender's address. In formal letters, dates can be written as under. There are two styles, the British style and the American style. Students should avoid writing dates as under 1, 2, 3, as it may be understood as October 7, 2022 or 10 July 2022. A British person puts the day before the month. Here it is day, month, and year. It is the British style. Here an American person puts the month before the day. May is month, day, and year. This is the American style. So it is clear to all of you that especially students must use only these two styles. Thank you for watching this video.